now is good. I have sound, man, but let's try to switch off the car. So the power is off. Okay, let's wait seconds. Okay, let's start the car and the navigation. Now I don't have sound. Look. See? I don't have, and it's I don't have sound. Look, here here is the sound. It's not, I don't have sound. Let's try the radio. Same, I don't have sound. I updated the navigation. Look, here, system, about machine, model, Android, kernel version, build number, MISU version, serial number, GPU, and memory. I don't know, I have that problem all the time. If you can help me, please do it. And sorry for my bad language, I'm from Romania. Bye.